Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to make something like a peekaboo again with some mica powder, and if that sounds interesting to you, just stay tuned. So these are the coasters I made in my first video, and I will link it up in the right hand corner. Yeah, just in case you want to watch it. So what I did here is I put a really good layer of mica onto all of my coasters. The next thing I did was I took a Q-tip and put some isopropyl alcohol on it, and now I'm wiping away the mica where I did not really want it. So I'm putting it into different places, different sizes, and yeah, I do that to all 4 of the coasters. But you got to be careful that you're not going to be scratching your molds. When I was finished, I took a tissue, a paper towel, and put some isopropyl alcohol on it and wiped away the residue of the mica powder in those areas. Because this is going to be the front, and every little shadow of the mica powder will be seen up from the front. So we have to be really, really accurate with it. And this is what it looked like now. Now I mixed up some clear resin, and I'm pouring my coaster mold about halfway full. There has to be another layer on top of that. That's why I'm taking only halfway, maybe less than halfway. And I'm really pouring this slowly because I don't want any stray mica powder to go where I don't really want it. My resin is cured now, and I have those 4 temporary tattoos that I want to put onto my coasters, and they have like mixed designs, mostly with flowers. I'm testing again whether they fit or not, and they do, but just about. So I'm cutting off the corners of those papers because I don't want them to interfere when I put the tattoos onto my coasters. So I'm just taking the scissors and cutting them off. So I put my tattoo down and just rub it a little bit. And if a temporary tattoo is down, it's down. And don't forget to remove the protective sheet on the front side. Now I'm dabbing a little bit of water onto the back of this tattoo, and yeah, kind of soak the paper with it. And then I have to wait a few seconds and maybe add some more water, and then I will be able to lift the paper off of the tattoo. And you see me trying to slide the paper off, and once this can be done, the paper is ready to be taken off. I take my wet cloth again and dabbing it onto the tattoo. Don't do that with a dry cloth because you're going to rip your tattoo. So I'm taking another mica powder in different colors, and I'm putting it onto the peekaboo windows that are made in the front of the coaster. Yeah, in different colors, like I already said, and knowing from what came out when I demolded those pieces, I think it would have been better if I just powdered the whole back with the mica powder. And yeah, I'm probably going to make another video about that. After I've blown away all the mica that was loose on the back of those coasters, I mixed up some resin with white pigment paste, and now I'm filling the mold up to the rim with this resin. I just pop some surface bubbles now, and then we can let it cure. It's about 24 hours later and it's time to demold, and I'm really curious how those coasters come out, and I hope you are as curious as I am to see the front of those coasters. So, and this is what the first one looks like, and you can really see that I have to look at it twice just to see yeah, whether I like it or not. And at that point I didn't really like it. And you can see from the front that I painted not the whole back of the coasters with the mica. That's what I should have done. But yeah, shoulda, woulda. I didn't, so I probably make another video off of that. And yeah, sometimes you have to look at pieces that you made that not really are in your taste, but sometimes when I look at them more often, they grow kind of on me. And I think this is with most of the stuff that one does. You have to look at it more than once. So I like this one the best, and the first one that are shown. Those two are really my favorites. Which one are yours? So the only thing left to do is I have a little bit of overspill on the last one here, and I'm just taking my cutter and cut the overspill off. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the button for the bell, then you will be notified whenever I load up another video and you won't miss anything. So a comment would be really nice to see whether you like my stuff or not. It's always nice hearing from you, and I hope you had a lot of fun too watching this, and I'll see you into my next video. At the end I will leave some pictures that shows those coasters in a better way.